Hello, my name's Katie McAuliffe, and I'm doing a video to recommend my recently purchased hearing aid. I have had hearing loss for over 10 years. I have the condition of otosclerosis, so my ears don't conduct sound properly. Um, when I tried having the surgery to correct the situation, which was unsuccessful. And so when I first needed hearing aids, I just bought the cheapest hearing aid that I could find, which was at Costco. And it helped a lot, of course, but now that I've had other hearing aids, I realized that it actually did not work very well. So then I had a phonak hearing aid, which worked quite well. But after 6 years, it finally broke on me. And so I recently got the Oticon Intent Two hearing aid, and it has been working very well for me. I'm going to try to show it to you in my ear. It just has this, the over the ear part, and then it just comes down and just has the one wire and goes into the ear. I've been very happy with it. It has a super simple charger where they just click right in here, and then the rest of the hearing aid just sort of hangs off the edge of the charger. And so I would say they work really well. I um, I think they work about the same as my phonak, honestly. They both have worked really well. The Oticon, the um, the app for your phone works a little bit easier. And it just is like a little bit of a simpler program for your phone, which is kind of nice. Um, I purchased this hearing aid through Zip Hearing, and I got my other hearing aid through Zip Hearing also, and they are great. They are very helpful. You get a very good deal, and I've gone with two different providers, and they both have taken very good care of me. So that part has been great. Um, I think the thing that I have liked most about the Oticon is the zip hearing provider put a program on my phone that is specially designed so that you can hear speech better. And that's sort of always been my biggest problem. And so it's very easy for me to just switch into the speech program. And if I need to turn up the volume a little bit. And so it just seems to work really well. It charges well, the battery lasts longer than on my other hearing aid. And so I've been very happy with it. As I said, the phonak was also a very good hearing aid. It was a little bit like more complex. It had like an extra wire in it. And then the app on your phone was also a little bit trickier. Um, but I would recommend the Oticon Intent Two for anybody who's looking for mid-range. I don't buy the cheapest hearing aid anymore, but I also didn't get the most expensive one. I got the one right in the middle. So thanks for listening. Okay, bye-bye.